The hate should not have any place in Canada, but there is place for hate in Canada. In 2017, those 6 people left 16 or 17 kids as orphans. What did we do? Islamophobia is still on the rise. Hate is still on the rise. There are incidents every day now. Hijab pulling, the hate, the slurs, bad behavior, abuse, emotional, verbal, and physical abuse is on the rise. Islamophobia is real. Islamophobia is on the rise, and Islamophobia kills. We need to promote respect and support for each other. If it happens to somebody else, a Jew, a Christian, a Sikh, a Hindu, or anybody else, I should be able to speak up for them. That hate should not be given any place in Canada. Hate should not be accepted. When you hear Muslims talking about that January 29th massacre of Muslims in a Quebec masjid, please try to reach out to somebody. Please try to help deliver a message. You denounce that. You actually do not accept this behavior, and pray for those people who were murdered and families who were affected for life.